Welcome to J&J test video SFTY 291. It's a 1985 Celica GTS convertible. The engine is locked up. It's like it was overheated, and the back window is broken. So in my wrecked old car analysis, I bet somebody overheated the motor and blew the back window out and totaled it. It's a 5-speed, more rare than not. It's pretty nice. It even has the hardtop boot over there on the floor, if you see it. We'll sell the roof with the frame. You have to recover it, put a back window in it, but everything's there. Does not run. We're just doing a test video. Show you it works. 134,991. All I get is... So, we'll mess with it when it's out. Old Bluetooth. Show you the windows work. Driver's rag work. Oh, wait. Back window goes down. Oh, all these buttons are the wrong one. It's every other button. This works. Okay. Cluster works. Pop-up headlights work. Oh, what am I thinking else? Headlights go up. Headlights go down. About it. Got a decent set of wheels on it. 5-speed. We'll go ahead and pull all the bottles and everything out of it. Everything you see will be available for sale. As always, check our website and eBay. As always, again, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.